Hello everyone, Mr. Baca here with you today. We're going to go over some more um, addition and subtraction within 20. As you recall from Mr. Lopez, we talked about using some of our prior knowledge and building upon that to understand addition and subtraction. So first off, checking in with you, how do you feel about today's lesson? I want you to use your digital manipulatives and tell me how you feel. Each one of these big blocks are 10, and we could count that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That being said, I want you to tell me how you feel today about today's lesson and show me with these counter blocks. I'm going to do it myself. So I will say today I am at a 8. And you can count that by 2s if you want. 2, 4, 6, 8. That's representing how I feel about today's lesson. Maybe I'll give it a 9. Why not? So that being said, let's erase all this. And let's talk about a little scenario that happened to me the other day. You know, I wanted to go to the movie theater, but I wanted to take some friends with me. So here's me. That's one seat that I needed. I needed at least one ticket if I'm going to go by myself. But, you know, I don't want to go to the movies by myself, so I'm going to add some friends. I called up 4 friends. Let's do that. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So here's me plus my 4 friends, and we could count myself first, 1, and then continue to count 2, 3, 4, 5. So 1 plus 4 friends equals 5 people or 5 tickets I'm going to need to go to the movies. All right, let's erase this. Now, here I was going to go to the movies, but before that, or after that, I should say, I needed to go get some lunch. But I had to go to the cafeteria, and you know, a lot more people go to the cafeteria. So I had 10 people in my class. Look at all these people. 10 people in my class. But we had to go share the cafeteria with the other class. The other class only had 7 people. So let's add them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All right, so 7 people on top of the 10 people from my class. So we could add those by counting on. Here's 10 in the red. And then to count on, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So 10 plus the 7 from the other class gave me 17 people total. And we could see that. We could visualize how that's gonna work. But now, as people start to leave the cafeteria, we take away. So from my class, remember me and my 5 friends left. So let's take away 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we took away 5 from my class and left us with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 10 minus 5 is 5. But now from our original 17 that we had, if we took away 5 from that, how are we going to find out how many we have? Well, one way to do it, we can make 10 blocks. So let's get their class and put them with ours and see if we can make 10. And remember, you're doing this along with me so you can see how it works. So now we're back to we made our 10 block, and we still have 2 over here in the other area. So we know that 10 plus 2, we go 10, count on, 11, and 12. So now we have 12 people left eating in the cafeteria. All right, let's move on to a different representation of these numbers. So this is the concrete version, and now let's move on to the abstract version of the same types of addition problems. So remember, I wanted to go to the movies, and that was me. Which was that? I think I was the red. So here I am, and then I invited 4 friends. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So now, thinking back to our numbers and our number names that we learned in kindergarten, let's try to put these more abstract representations out. So there's me, the 1, and then let's add my 4 friends. So the number 4 represents these 4 counter blocks. 1, 2, 3, 4. So now when we add 1 plus 4, that is going to equal, and we could build our new, with all of us together sitting at the movies watching our favorite whatever it is, and we know that when we add those together, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or to represent that with this symbol, 1 plus 4 equals 5. This is how we're going to eventually work towards understanding our math and using our math numbers. And we could do the same thing with subtraction. So say we add, or we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's 6 friends we'll say we started with. This is a different example. So here's the number 6. Now let's subtract. How about we say 2 people left? They left the movies. They didn't want to hang out with us no more. So we had 6 friends, and then 2 of them left. I guess they should be red too because they're the same people who were already there. So 6 friends to start, 2 friends now left, and that's going to leave us with 1, 2, 3, 4. So 6 minus 2 equals the number 4, which we learned in kindergarten. And now as we work towards mastering how to work with these numbers, looking forward to 2nd grade, we're going to be doing this more with just in our brain. We're going to be able to see these numbers and see these groups and be able to add and subtract no problem. So I hope you guys have a good time with this. I know you guys are super smart and you're going to get this and be able to even build further on that. All right, have a good one.